Hello, it's Easter time and today we have a selection of nice Easter eggs. So here comes the big Kinder Maxi with something nice inside. Also today we have a couple chupa chups, water water dinosaurs. We have two Korean, I assume, creative block with a sweet jelly eggs, and we have some Japanese eggs as well. So this one might be interesting. There should be little like charms or something. This is a Rilakkuma Pullback action car. I don't know if there will be just one or two of them. We will find out. Here is very cute cube series 2. My mini mixiqs. I think it's my mini mixiqs. And one more chocolate egg with Super Mario. Alright, let's get started. Let's try chupa water dinos or dinos. I have not opened this in a while, so might not go as smooth, right? Here we go. Okay, and the first dinosaur is this little purple guy. Okay, let's take a closer look. Oh, they're very, very rubbery. Thumbs up if you like these sound effects, or thumbs up if you dislike these sound effects. Okay, that was cool. Let's continue the trend with another Chupa Chup surprise egg. In the comments, let me know what you have got for Easter, how many eggs you have found. Okay. One more cute dinosaur. Also very, very elastic and rubbery. If you guys have watched my previous dinosaur series, you already should know this blue guy. You should know who he is. I will give you a little hint. His name starts with a P. Okay, that was cool. It's time for these creative blocks with jelly eggs, and I am having difficulties to find where we are supposed to open them. Oh, I hope I don't need to go get a knife. Will this work? Nope. Clearly this is not made in Japan, because usually Japanese toy producers, they think about how people are actually going to open them. Okay, technical break. Better ask adults for help if they give you Korean surprise eggs. Okay, we have a jelly. Yay! And we have a bunch of parts similar to Lego, but of course this is not a Lego. And we are going to assemble them real quick. This looks like a dog or cow or something in between. Yeah. Which can also transform into a plane, or maybe I don't have a cow. No. Let's find out. Yeah. I will also open the second one, and then I will just spend some time assembling those. Alright. Again, don't do this on your own. Ask for adults to help you. Boom. Right, jelly. And more exciting parts. This is a bull. Nice, or maybe cow, which also transforms into some sort of ship, spaceship, some sort of aircraft. We will find out real soon. Moving on. This one looks particularly interesting. It's called Kanahe's Small Animals. Kanahe's Small Animals. And it sounds like there's like a bunch of paper or something, but let's find out what is actually inside. This looks like freshly boiled egg. Okay, just because it's white. Okay, we have a candy. I would assume this is raspberry. And we have a little charm with a rabbit. Oh, this is a very fitting for Easter. Cool. What does it say there? Kanahe Small Animals. How do I open it? Okay, here we go. Let's take a closer look. Nicely made, good quality. And this is a metal charm. You can use it as a key ring or something of sort. Nice. Okay, let's open at least one chocolate egg. This is Super Mario. You can see Princess, and Mario, and Luigi, and Wario, and Kong, and Mushroom, and yeah, all your favorite Nintendo characters. Well, not all of them, but these are all Nintendo characters. Here comes the egg. Ooh, sounds good. I wonder who are we going to get. These are Japanese eggs, by the way. Okay. It's really hot in here, so I have to be careful not to get all messy and covered in chocolate. They are very similar to Kinder eggs. Yeah, they also have milk chocolate layer in the middle. Okay, let's open this up. Boom! Who do we have? This looks like Luigi. Well, of course this is Luigi. Here comes his head. Oh. So he's on this skateboard, which assembles like this, like a little zigzag puzzle. I should say these are really well made. Sculpting is of high quality, and yeah, I really like this. Okay, how do we put him on his skateboard? I assume this goes in here. Let's see if I'm right in my assumption. Fits perfectly, just absolutely everything is just so easily attachable. And this goes in here, I believe. There we go. This is a very nice little figure. Okay, you go rest there. Let's check some Pullback action car. As you can see here, quite a lot. So it's like 4x3 12, 12x2 24. The very basic math going on here. And as I said, Japanese have this really cool cut lines, which are very easy to open. Ooh, a big one. Okay, once again, here you can see all the cars you can get. And here actually comes the car. It's a little bit heavy. I honestly thought there will be some sort of candy, but here's just a little car. But it's a very well made car and it's quite heavy. It's made of steel, I believe. And as it says, it's a pullback action, so pew. Let's launch it a little bit further. Pew. Very nice. It says Rilakkuma here at the back, and it has some Rilakkuma stickers. Yes, it's nice, I guess. It's quite heavy. I'm surprised there are no candies, but still it's a good one. Okay, here comes my mini MixieQs. Let's see who we can get. So there should be 2 of them, and let's check this little leaflet. What does it tell us? Who can we get? Okay, so here is Bold, Fierce, Wild, Enchanting, and Legacy. And there is also some sort of free app. Oh, okay, so this is that there are more fabulous. Ultra special are red ones, special are yellow ones, and every day I just like this color. Okay. Adorable, sweet, adventurous. Let's find out what colors do we get. Ooh, blind bag. Blind bag inside of a blind box. Let's get this open. It's quite hard. Okay, so the first one is what is this? I don't know. And this. Okay, we've got a couple helmets so far. Ooh, they're so tiny. They're really tiny and really cute. So this is little peacock girl, and this is little, I guess this is like a raspberry or something. No. Okay, let's find them on the leaflet. Little peacock. I totally cannot spot on this one. Maybe this side will have. Ooh, we have extra. No, we have ultra special. Wow, this is amazing. Nice find, ultra special peacock, and this is. What? We've got 2 ultra special mini mixes. This is amazing. I've got a strawberry and a peacock. What? This is really nice. And I really like them. It might be difficult to take out the head. No, this is so cool. You can see it's like a little dress, and there's a little figure, and it has this little dress, and a helmet. Let's check Peacock as well. So, I hope I'm not, like, I'm not mistaken. So I just think I've got one of, yeah, correct. I think this is right. I've got 2 ultra special decoration and finishes. Yeah, that's it. This is super special Peacock. Looks like this without decoration. Really nice. Very, very happy with these 2. Yeah, you guys are my new favorites. And according to tradition on this channel, we have to finish with a Kinder Surprise egg. Here comes Kinder Maxi. So again, it's so hot in here, so I just will try to not mess up too much the chocolate. Just don't touch it with my hands because it will start melting immediately. It already starts to melt. Okay. It's actually quite light. I just noticed it's quite light, but ooh, really? I've got a massive Barbie. Okay, nice, I guess. I think it's good. To be honest, oh, she got a hair. Really interesting. It's my first time to open such a big Barbie. Not okay. I think it should be like this. Okay, let's do a quick recap. I'm going backwards. I will zoom in a little bit so that we can see all the details of the models. Okay, so this is our Kinder Maxi Surprise Barbie with hair, as you can see. Nice, nice little touch. Here are her fancy shoes on a very, very high heels. Then we got this really, really, really cute mini MixieQs. Let's take a look at the details again. So here is the clothes, and really like this shiny peacock suit. Tail. Nice, and there's our strawberry, also with a little bit of glittery, shiny finish. Then we have Luigi with some amazing paint and details on his shoes, and it's just like so well made. Rilakkuma car could be better, but it's still a nice little thing, and you can see that. I hope you can see, but paint has a little bit of metallic finish to it. Yeah, it's nice, and it's pullback action, so you can actually like make it move. Nice. And we have little key ring or key decoration with a little rabbit from Kanahei Small Animals. Who else we've got? We've got the very first ones we've got were these really cute rubbery dinosaurs. Hey there, mate!